Okay, what is up, you guys? It's been a minute. Okay, this video is just going to explain what I've been doing and what all this hardware is. Oh my god. Yes, the computer is coming together. About 3 more months, I will be uploading again. It's going to be crazy. This build is going to be crazy. As you can see, we got the Crosshair 7 Hero ROG motherboard. It is absolutely insane. Let me just move that. I'm not going to open it up right now because I don't want to. These are custom sleeve cables from Corsair. They are gonna complement this build very well. I can't wait to put them inside the system. Got a whole bunch of Corsair fans, LL120s, LL140s. I accidentally bought an extra LL140. NVMe storage, M.2 drive, 512 gigabits. I can't wait to put that in the system. And this is the case. This is the Corsair 570X. It's the part of the Crystal series. It's going to be really nice to show off all that RGB that this build puts out. This is my hard drive. Oops. Whoa. This is 4 terabytes. Barracuda. Just put that right there. This is just thermal compound. Probably won't even be using it because this actually has thermal compound already put on it. That's what Corsair does. And some other brands, but we're not going to get into that. This is a giant mouse pad from Corsair, as you can see. Yeah, I love Corsair. Most of the things inside of this build are Corsair. So I'll be using that. I had to buy a new mouse from Corsair. 360 millimeter radiator pump. Going to be going on a CPU that I've not yet purchased. I have about 7 more purchases left to make. 3 monitors, my graphics card, the CPU, power supply, and the RAM. And then that is it. And then I will be able to build this build. Yeah, that makes sense. The CPU is a Ryzen 7 2700X. It's going to work really well with this motherboard and this AIO. It's going to be great. I can't wait. Yep, 3 monitors. That's going to be awesome. It's going to be helping with streaming. I am going to be starting to do Twitch. You guys can watch me on there. I haven't yet made the account, but whatever. It'll be made. As you can see, this is going to be a lot of RGB. A lot of people hate on RGB. I don't. I love it. My mouse has RGB. My headphones stand. I already have those. Those are over there. I've been gaming on a PS4. I love my PS4. So that's been great. It's gonna go here, and yeah, I only have a few more things to purchase, and then I'm gonna be coming back to this YouTube channel. Okay, 3 more months. Not gonna show my face. 3 more months, and then this thing will be built. I'd like to thank you all for watching. You probably didn't watch, but you know, it's fine. Ignore all the snacks. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be back soon. Enjoy all this hardware as soon as it comes together. I will be doing a build video. That will be up sooner or later. And I'll see you guys later.